Welcome to Baking with Brittany. We're gonna making bunny trail cake first, so let's start. First, you need some Cool Whip, and you're gonna just put it to the side because you gotta let it soften up. Then take a bowl, some instant vanilla pudding, and we're just gonna do the back of the instructions. Mine calls for the mix and about like 2 or 3 cups of milk. Once it's all in there, we're just gonna mix it up with a whisk. Whenever it's all mixed together, we're gonna take back our Cool Whip after it's been softened some. And we're just gonna put the whole entire thing in there. Then we're gonna mix all of that together until you get a smooth consistency like this. Then we're gonna 9 by 13 inch pan, and we're gonna put our graham crackers and lay it all at the bottom. And then we're gonna take our pudding Cool Whip mixture and put that on top to make sure all the graham crackers are covered. Once that layer is done, we can begin moving on to the next layer. So we're gonna do the same exact thing again.
Can you guess what's next?
Once again, make sure your next layer has all your graham crackers covered evenly, and also clean up the sides like I do. And then do one more layer. And on the sides, just break your graham cracker apart and fill it in like a puzzle. Now we get some foil. And we're just gonna put that on top and put it in the fridge for a while and let that soften. So we let it chill for a few hours. Then we're gonna just take off the foil and we're gonna start icing. So it's chocolate fudge icing, and we're just gonna put all of it on top. Make sure you're using clean utensils, and we're gonna continue to smear it on. And then whenever it's all covered, we're gonna start being
fancy
and do these little waves because I think it makes it look more put together. And next, M&Ms. So let's see if I can open the bag.
Oh my god, I can't open the stupid bag! Oh my god, I don't like the eyes of that!
Okay. Once your M&Ms are now open and ready to use, we can now begin. Look how pretty they are! So we're gonna start in the center, and I just did different colors along the way and a spiral to make it like a trail. And I also added some Easter eggs on the side. Don't judge. And then time to add peeps. Peeps are so cute and pretty. Intense cuteness. Next, we're gonna make bunny feet treats. So we need a microwave-safe bowl and some Ritz crackers, some peanut butter, another platter, and we're gonna start making little Ritz cracker sandwiches because to make it a lot faster and easier for you. Then we're gonna take some peanut butter. Then we're gonna make a little peanut butter sandwich on each one of our crackers and just boop, put it together. Cute! So we're going to continue to do that for all of them. I'm doing about 16. That's good. And once you're done, we can move on. So put that to the side. And we're going to get our almond bark. We're going to open that package up. And I'm splitting half of mine up for 16. That's better. And then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 60 seconds. So I'm just following the package instructions on the back. And then stir it. And after that, you just keep doing it every 15 seconds and stir until you get a smooth consistency like this. Now we can do the fun part. So let's get another platter out for our parchment paper. Put the parchment paper may have stabbed me. Anyway, we're gonna open it up and put it on the platter. So now that that's done, we're gonna take our cookies, quote unquote, and we're just gonna, I use my hands, and I put it in there, and you're gonna swirl it around and let it drip dry, and then put it on the parchment paper. And once you're all done with this part, with all of them, you're now gonna start putting your M&Ms on them before you put them in the fridge. Don't make that mistake. Make them into cute little bunny feet. I do 3 little toes and a pop head in the middle, and I do a bunch of different colors because Easter's magical and it should be colorful. And then after you do that, you put them in the fridge for an hour and they're done. Moving on, Sonic Strawberry Shake Instant Pudding Mix. I'm using strawberry for my Easter dip. So I'm following directions. I put that in there with about 2 cups of milk. Stir it, stir it, stir it. And then I softened my Cool Whip, and I'm just using about half a tub of it because I want it to be thick. And then you stir that up and you put it in a cute bowl. I'm dipping mine in graham crackers, and I'm using these really pretty spring sprinkles I thought were Eastery, and I'm just gonna put that on top. It's even more Easter looking and magical, and then we're done.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. All my socials are linked down below, so you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Brittany Noels with a Z. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and turn on the bell for notifications for next time when I post. Bye!